After you've set up your stick-up cam in the Ring app, you may see its light flashing. This means it's installing a software update. Do not unplug your stick-up cam during this process. If you plan to ceiling mount your stick-up cam, push the rubber pad into the bottom of the base. Then swivel the stand so the base is above the camera. Finally, hold the base in place on your ceiling, rubber side down. Next, drive the 3 mounting screws. If you're mounting your stick-up cam on a brick or masonry surface, use the included drill bit to pre-drill the holes and push the included wall anchors into the holes before mounting. Then slide the bottom cover back into place to cover the cable and use the star-shaped end of the screwdriver bit to tighten the attached screw. Finally, snap the cover onto the base and add the security screw if desired. Your stick-up cam is now ready to protect you. If you're powering your stick-up cam with USB, you can feed the USB cable through the stand as well as the bottom cover for a cleaner look. If you need any additional help, visit us at ring.com.